brother's, we have this couch that we're giving him that I just did a promotion on, which no one has seen yet. It's coming out maybe next week.
Then you know it's Christmas when the snow starts to fall. Then you know it's Christmas for the children above all. Then you know it's Christmas 'cause Santa's on his way. We'll stand under the mistletoe, and then it's Christmas Day. The joyful times we witness forever stays with us. Soon Rudolph hears his whistle and gathers all his friends. When Santa and his missus wraps the final gift, you know it's time for Christmas for each and every one.
Odd shaped gifts, man. I think I did all right with this one. It looks kind of like a little Christmas candy, but whew. Oh my goodness, is it time for Malcolm? Is it time for advent calendar? Yeah? Yes? Okay. He saw it in the laundry room, so. Yeah. Open. What is it? 21, 22, 23. Oh, 23? Oh my goodness. He's not done 20. Okay, ready? Oh! It's a little one! Wow, that's cool, bud. Look at that little guy. That's so cool. He's having leftover pizza.
25?
No, 25.
24's got a middle.
Yeah. So that one's for tomorrow. That's so cool, buddy. Yeah. Here, you know what? We'll go ahead and just open up 24. What the heck? Why not?
Oh
my goodness. In case we forget tomorrow and all the stuff.
Yeah.
This was a pretty good advent calendar. If you guys have little toddler boys or little boys, I think probably for good age, any age. And then I guess there's a little game you can play with all of the, like the little dinosaurs and stuff that is right here. So there you go. You opened up all the numbers. That's cool. We had just Stouffer's lasagna. Uh-oh. We had Stouffer's lasagna tonight for dinner. Wow. You love that new dinosaur, huh? He's big. I gotta pick your nose. He's off and on.
I got all these teeth and little arms.
Yeah, he's had big teeth, huh? We're watching Shrek in the background. Quick.
And then you know it's Christmas when the snow starts to fall. And then you know it's Christmas for the children above all. And then you know it's Christmas 'cause Santa's on his